Hi guys, my name is Patricia Jaramillo and I work for Hawthorne School District, and today's art piece that we're going to be working on is a color wheel. And if you don't know what a color wheel is, think about colors of the rainbow. Those are going to be in our color wheel. They're colors that have relationships with other colors. And today's art piece we're going to work on is our umbrella. So our color wheel umbrella, that is what we're going to do. So if you guys don't mind, join me and let's get started. Things you're going to need will be paper, your eraser, pencil, sharpener, your 8 colors, which are red, orange, yellow, green, blues, and purples. On your paper, not in the center but right below it, you're going to draw a circle, and it's going to be the center of our umbrella. And then from this dot, we are going to do our lines that separate the colors for the umbrella. If you have a ruler, you may use that as well, it'll be easier. Okay, and you should have 8 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So on our paper, after we do the lines, we are going to connect the lines. It's going to look kind of like a spider web, and in each line you're going to do another dot on top. You don't have to, it's your choice if you want to do that or not. So what we're going to do next is draw our body. So you're gonna do a little, well for me I'm doing a girl, so she's gonna have a raincoat on. You could do whatever you want, it doesn't have to be a girl, boy, it could be an animal, whatever you want to do. And then we're just gonna draw her legs, like so. And then since she's gonna have rain boots on, it's gonna look something like that, okay? Just like that. And now what you can do is add some details. So I'm gonna add some buttons on her coat and some pockets. And there you go. We have an umbrella and our person. So we got the hard part down. So now you guys can add our little rain clouds, like so. Okay, and then you could draw the sun in the center if you would like. You don't have to, but why not? You could draw more rain clouds. Okay, and there you go. And since the sun is coming out, we could actually add some raindrops. If you have your own style of raindrops, that is totally fine. So you could do that as well. Now it's time for color. I'm going to start off with yellow right here. So we're going to do the color of the rainbow because it's going to be our color wheel. Our umbrella is our color wheel. So you guys can color. You can start off whatever you like. Yellow doesn't have to be necessarily on top. If you're on the side, your choice. Okay, so we're going to start off with yellow, and then our next color is going to be green, blue, purple, red, orange, red, orange, and then our golden yellow. Okay? Okay, so now that we have our color umbrella done, what we could just get started on next is shading in our rain clouds. So you're just going to get your pencil, and on the side of your pencil, you're going to do like so, and just shade underneath the rain cloud. Okay. And then as you get to the center, the shading is going to become lighter. Okay. And you're going to do this for all your rain clouds. You can use your finger if you like to blend it in, your choice. And do that for each cloud. Okay, so my clouds look like that. And what I did next, I colored in the sun. And what you guys can do now is just color in the rest of the art piece that you want. And if you don't want to color in, just leave it shaded gray. That's totally fine too. And if you just want this color wheel to be the only thing that stands out, that's fine as well. So we have our color wheel done, our rain cloud shaded. Alright, there you go. your color wheel umbrella art. Thank you guys for joining me on this activity, and I hope you guys have a great day and stay safe during this quarantine.